Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In this video we are going to add a new lab record system. So for example, if our new lab has lower time than the old lab, then we should show some message on the screen with the new lab record. So here you can see that in save script we have created a new variable with the name of public static pool new record false. In the save script we will not add anything else related to this, only we have added a variable, and then we will just go to our lab script. Okay, and actually we will not go to we don't need checkpoint, only lab script. And in lab script you can see that we will add this line of code here inside this lab number equal to 2, that save script equal to dot new record equal to true, and this new record we have added here in save script. Okay, so this is it for the lab script. So now we will move further to UI script, which is the most important script, and here we will just add a new variable of a game object with the name of new lab record. Inside star function we are making this new lab record false in the UI script, and then we will move further, and here we will just go to these section of actually the lab record, and we have created this we can actually for new record showing after this best lab time display function. Okay, we will add this if statement where we are getting that if the new record is true, then we will just activate the message game object, and after that we are running the coroutine lab record off. For this coroutine we will just move here, and you can see this coroutine has a yield return for 2 seconds, and save script or new record will be false again, and new lab record will be false again. This is the game object. One more setting we will do inside the checkpoints system, because when we move we will start a lab system, and then when we will reach the lab again, it will just show us the new lab records. But we don't want it. We want actually that when the lab is greater than 1, then only we want to show the lab system. Okay, and lab record time. So here you can see that we will just add this line of code here inside the checkpoint 1 function which we have created here, and inside this if statement we will add, after this false, we will add this if save script dot lab number is greater than 1, and then we will paste this line of code inside this if statement. Okay, and similarly for the checkpoint 2 we will do the same. We will add if save script dot lab number is greater than 1, then this program will be instantiated. Okay, so this is it. These are the settings for showing us the new lab record system, and let's see how it will work. One more thing we have did in the UI script, that we have created this if statement here in the best lab time, that if save script dot lab change equal to true, then we will initialize this line of code. And also here after this best time lab time seconds, we have added save script dot new record equal to true, and also we will actually copy this line of code and we will just paste it here as well. Okay, So that's great. Okay, so now we can save this script and let's try it out inside Unity. So inside Unity we will just select we will actually create one more object. So here if you can see that in the UI canvas UI where we have checkpoint display, I will show you I will just show the text on the same position. So let's duplicate this and we will just rename it to new lab record text, and here we will just add new lab record. Okay, and we can make this text to any color if you want to do so. I will just change the color to something like bluish, maybe light blue. Yeah, light blue is a little bit visible. And a new lab record. And also I will just click on this rect transform and I will just adjust the rect transform a little bit for some reason. Okay, so sorry, what happened? This, and let's move it to the middle maybe. Okay, so that's great. We will select the canvas and here we have a new lab record. So we'll just add this new lab record game object here, and now let's play the game, and hopefully it will be invisible in beginning, and then when we will complete the lab it will be available. So let's play, and you can see that it's not appear. So let's move back and let's wait for some seconds so that our time calculation is a little bit more. So now we will just move here again, and you can see that newly lab record, and if we cross this lab again with lower seconds, then it will appear again. Okay, so here you can see new lab record appears again. That's great, and that's it for this video, and next video will move further. Allah Hafiz.